I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your payment history with BMO Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your BMO online banking. Before changing your settings, use the sh.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view all your accounts linked to your profile. Step 3. Select the specific account. From the list of accounts, choose the one for which you want to view the payment history. This could be your credit card or loan account. Step 4. Access the transaction history. After selecting the account, find the transaction history or payment history option. Click on it to see a detailed list of your transactions. Step 5. Filter your results. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can set a date range or search for specific transactions. Just be cautious with the date range. If you set it too narrow, you might miss some payments. I hope this guide helps you easily find your payment history on BMO. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.